Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install the LastPass browser extension in Google Chrome web browser. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select extensions and visit Chrome web store. Click on it. And now in the search extensions, you just need to search for LastPass. Press enter. Comes up LastPass free password manager. You just need to click on it and you just need to select add to Chrome and select add extension, and it's downloading. After getting download done, it should launch the LastPass page. Here you just need to go ahead and sign in or create an account. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.